In this program, we are going to understand the use of identity operators in Python shell. Again, this will be working on interactive mode. So here what we are doing is we are using the identity operator as is operator. So what it do is basically it matches two variables. Like if the values are same, so it will return true. If the values are different, so it will return false. So we are using first variable, naming it as s1, let's say string 1, and we are passing a value, let's say xyz. And after that we are asking the user to enter a string, and we are storing that value in the variable s2. And after that we are comparing. So here till now you have used a single equals to operator, that was assignment operator. Now this is double equals, so it basically checks the value, whether the value in both the variables are same or different. So here we are saying s1, we are comparing it with s2. So s1 double equals to s2 if both the values are true. And the similar way of working is with this is operator. So s1 is s2, that means if s1 is equals to s2, so we are checking that. After that we are using a third variable, let's say s3, we are passing a string into this xyz, and after that we are comparing. If s1 is s3, that means s1, that is xyz, is that equals to the value of s3, again xyz. So here these three values are these two values are true, so it will return true. Now up over here on the idle, we are saying that s1 value is xyz. After that we are taking the second value from the user. So let's say the user gives a value as abc. I'm not giving the value as xyz. After that I'm putting s1 double equals to s2 and run it on the shell. So it says that both the strings are not equal, so the value is false. Similarly, when you are working with the is identity operator, so here I'm saying s1 is s2, that means if both the values are equal. So again it is saying false, that both the values are not equal. After that I'm assigning a value to the third variable, let's say s3 is equals to xyz, and after that I'm comparing the s1 variable with s3 variable, whether these values are similar, so it is returning true. This is how we work with the identity operators in Python.